This 2026 Keystone Cougar Western 25 FKWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features LP detector, slide-out, oven, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.